name's Euan MacKenzie and I work for a company called Jacobs as a civil engineer based in Glasgow. I've put this short video together for Maths Week to let you all know how I use maths every single day in my role. As part of my job, I look to make sure buildings or parts of buildings are safe for people to use, and maths plays a vitally important role in this safety. A lot of the maths that I use is based on the core maths skills that you're all learning right now at school. After school, I went on to university and developed my math skills even further, while also learning how I can use computer programs to help solve more complicated maths problems. I often use this combined knowledge to make sure that buildings are safe. So in this video, I want to show you a quick example of how core math skills and computer program maths can help solve a potentially complicated problem.
So let's look at the Queen Elizabeth Hospital in Glasgow, specifically the helipad. For those of you that don't know what a helipad is, it's basically a large platform that is often attached to a building that allows helicopters to land on them. This is shown on the picture on the screen now. Imagine we want to know how strong to make the helipad so that a helicopter can land on it safely. Where do we start? Well, the first thing we need to do is use our math skills to work out how heavy a helicopter is. We then need to use the maths again to come up with the correct size of helipad so the helicopter can fit on it. The next step is to put the information we have worked out using our core math skills into a computer program. You can see the 3D model of the helipad from the computer program on the screen now. The computer program will solve hundreds and hundreds of complicated maths formulas for us in very few seconds to show us the areas where the helipad is strong and where the helipad is weak. This is displayed as colours on the helipad in the computer model. You can see in this image that when the helicopter lands, a nice circular colour pattern is shown on the helipad. The purple and the red colours show where the helipad needs to be strong, and the blue and the green areas show where the helipad doesn't need to be as strong. So we can see that the area where the helicopter lands needs to be a lot stronger compared to the other areas. A way to picture this is to imagine if you throw stone in the water. The part of the water where the stone hits has bigger ripples, but as you look further away, the ripples are a lot smaller. This is what's happening here. So once the computer program tells us this information, we can use the numbers and build the helipad to the correct size to make sure it is strong enough and safe enough for a helicopter to land on.
I hope this short video has shown you how I use maths in a variety of different ways to solve problems and make sure that buildings or different parts of buildings are safe for people to use. If you have any questions, then please feel free to ask and I will get back in touch with an answer. Thank you all for listening.